Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green rapid lettuce. First, select a location that receives 5 to 6 hours of sunlight each day. Lettuce prefers cooler temperatures, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so spring and fall are prime growing seasons. Prepare your soil by ensuring it is fertile, well-drained, and enriched with plenty of organic matter for the best start. Now, let's get those seeds in the ground. Plant your lettuce seeds shallowly, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep, and cover them with a light layer of soil. Initially, space seeds 1 inch apart. Once seedlings emerge and are 1 to 2 inches tall, thin them to 6 to 12 inches apart. For an early harvest, sow seeds 2 to 3 weeks before your last anticipated spring frost. Consistent care is key for crisp, delicious lettuce. Water your plants regularly, aiming for 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. It's crucial to keep the soil consistently moist, so check the top inch daily. About 4 weeks after planting, apply a nitrogen-based fertilizer to encourage vigorous leaf production and healthy growth. Finally, the rewarding part, harvesting. You can begin harvesting leaf lettuce when the leaves are about 3 to 6 inches long. For a continuous supply, simply cut the outer leaves, allowing the inner ones to keep growing. Always harvest your lettuce in the morning. This is when the leaves are most crisp and flavorful, perfect for your salads.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.